Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a room tour from our stay at the Old Town Inn. The Old Town Inn is a small family-owned hotel located on the Pacific Highway in central San Diego near the Old Town State Park. The inn dates back to 1945 and has a Spanish style. The location is in an ideal location. SeaWorld and the sandiegozoo, as well as several of the beaches, are within 10 miles of the hotel. The Marine Corps Recruit Depot, the Old Town Sandiego State Park, and Old Town Transit Station Trolley are right across the street. The Uss Midway is 10 miles away. I would highly recommend this hotel for anybody that's wanting to stay in a central location of San Diego. The property has 3 buildings with rooms in it. We stayed in the oldest building. Some of the rooms have kitchenettes. The room that we stayed in did not. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in any of the San Diego attractions, head on over to my channel where I have the zoo, SeaWorld, and the USS Midway videos.